we are here for the business study, and under business study we are starting our first unit, nature and significance of management. And under first unit we are starting here the first chapter, management and introduction. Before the study of chapter, a management is what a manager does. Before the study of the chapter, we should know what are the meaning of effectiveness and efficiency. Effectiveness and efficiency are two major terms which are to be used in the management. Efficiency refers to the completing the job, as I have written efficiency. Efficiency refers to completing the job on time, no matter whatever is the cost. And efficiency refers to the doing the job in the cost efficient manner. As is evident that management is concerned not only with the getting job completing effectively, but also with the doing as efficiently as possible. For the successful manager, effectiveness and efficiency both are equally important. Effectiveness and efficiency together lead the organization at the top of the vice versa. We can understand by an example. Effectiveness, if you said that efficiency, I have told that efficiency is the completing the job on completing the job no matter what is the cost. जैसे इसको आसानी से समझने के लिए फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सेक ऑफ द एग्जाम्पल, जैसे कंस्ट्रक्शन आप करते हैं, कोई बिल्डिंग कंस्ट्रक्ट करते हैं, अगर वो आपको जल्दबाजी में आप उसको बनाएंगे तो उसमें रॉ मटेरियल की वेस्टेज जो होगी वो बहुत ज़्यादा होगी. एक जो मिस्त्री है वो रॉ मटेरियल की वेस्टेज ज़्यादा करेगा, वो स्पीड वर्क करेगा बट रॉ मटेरियल जो है वेस्ट ज़्यादा करेगा. उसके अंदर जो मिक्सचर है, अलग अलग जो चीज़ों का ब्रिक्स है, उनकी वेस्टेज बहुत ज़्यादा रहेगी. बट इफ़ यू वांट दैट, इफ़ ही इज कंप्लीटिंग जॉब in time, keep in mind we are saying in time, he is completing the job in time he is completing the job in time, no matter what is the cost. Cost क्या है ये कोई मैटर नहीं है, टाइम पे कर रहा है, तो दैट वर्क इज कॉल्ड इफेक्टिवनेस. इसी को हम क्या कहते हैं, इफेक्टिवनेस कहते हैं. बट अगर हमारे पास एक पर्सन को जो काम करना है वो मटेरियल को अच्छे से यूज करना है, कॉस्ट चाहे कुछ भी, यहाँ टाइम चाहे कुछ भी लगे, कॉस्ट ज़्यादा नहीं लगनी चाहिए, तो ऐसे काम को हम एफिशिएंसी कहते हैं. एफिशिएंसी रेफर टू द डूइंग द जॉब in the cost effective manner no matter what is the time. टाइम क्या लग रहा है इसका कोई मैटर नहीं है, तो ऐसे में हम इसको क्या कहेंगे, एफिशिएंसी कहेंगे. एंड ए मैनेजर हैव टू कंप्लीट द जॉब, हिज जॉब इन एज सच वे दैट ही विल यूज all these resources in effectiveness and efficient manner. With effectiveness and in efficient manner means he must use all the resources in such a way that the cost will be less and the work will complete on time, so that the management work should be as effectiveness and efficient manner. Before the study of the management, we have studied the effectiveness and efficient manner, so that now we should know that what is the difference between efficiency and effectiveness. हम यहाँ effectiveness and efficiency. meaning. It refers to the completing the effectiveness, completing job, the job on time, no matter what is the cost, no matter what is the cost, where efficiency refer to the completing job in cost effective manner, no matter what is the time consumption. Secondly, objective. To achieve the result on time, effectiveness is important for achieving results on time, where efficiency is important for completing job completing job in with cost benefit. And main consideration is the time, and here main consideration is the cost. Here you studied the effectiveness and efficiency of the management. How this is important for the management, for the meaning of management. Here we are going toward meaning of management. It refer to the process of conducting a set of function to the effective and efficient manner. You can see that it refer to the process of conducting a set of function to get the work done in an efficient and effective manner. Now we should understand the meaning. It refers to the process of conducting the set of function. What is the set of function? What is the set of function? We will study. What is the set of function? Before telling you the meaning, we should know that what is the set of function. Under management, we have to do 5 activities to complete or work in effective and efficient manner. These 5 activities is called function of management. These 5 activities are: number 1, planning; number 2, organizing; number 3, staffing; number 4, directing; number 5, controlling. So we have to complete these 5 activities. These 5 activities we have to do these 5 activity with effectiveness and efficient manner. So what is management? Now what you get, what is the management? What is the meaning of management? Management, it refers to the process of conducting a set of function to get the work done in an efficient and effectiveness manner. Means अगर आप कोई काम कर रहे हैं, अगर आप उन वर्क को effectiveness means on time, within the limit of time, and effective means within the limited cost. Ultimately what we are doing, we are utilizing our limited resources in an effective and efficient manner. So in other word, you can say that, in other word, management, in other word, management is using or limited sources in such a way that our work will be completed in a effective and efficient manner. You have studied the resources are always limited sources. We have to use these limited resources in a such a way that our cost, when we are talking about the effectiveness, is time. When we are talking about efficiency, effectiveness is time and efficiency in cost. When we are talking about effectiveness means time efficient manner. When we are talking about the efficiency, the cost efficient manner. Means work should be completed in such a way that it should be completed on time and it should be minimum its cost, so that we have to complete all those 5 activities, because these are the main set of function. These are the set of function. These all 5 activity in such a manner that we will complete. It refers to the process of conducting a set of function to get the work done in a efficiency, effectiveness, and effective manner. So this is the meaning of management. As we have earlier written, the management is what a manager does. A management is what a manager does. So that What manager does? As I have write that management is what manager does, so that what manager does, manager does 5 activities, as we have written 5 manager does 5 activities or functions of management, and these functions we have already discussed that these are the main function. These are the main 5 functions that we are completing under management. These are the main 5 functions that we are completing under management. Means manager what will manager do? Manager will plan. Manager will do planning. Manager will organizing. Manager will have to do staffing. Manager will have to directing. Manager will have to controlling. All those functions. These are the 5 main activities that a manager have to do. So definition. So what is the definition? Sorry. Of management. According to Holt and management is the art of getting things done throughout others and with formally organized groups. In the words of George R. Terry, management is distinct process consisting of planning, organizing, executing, and controlling. Utilizing in each both science and art and followed in order to accomplish predetermined objective. So now now we will understand what these both definitions are saying. Here one more definition we will do that. मैनेजमेंट इज अ आर्ट ऑफ गेटिंग थिंग्स डन. जैसे कि आपने देखा होगा एक ठेकेदार और वर्कर, अगर यहाँ पर हम एक बिल्डिंग कंस्ट्रक्ट करवा रहे हैं तो अगर हमें ये कहना हो कि बिल्डिंग किसने बनाई तो हम ठेकेदार का नाम लेंगे या वर्कर का नाम लेंगे. मेरे ख्याल से हम ठेकेदार का नाम लेंगे, क्योंकि उस पर्सन ने उन सभी लोगों को मैनेज किया है, इकट्ठा किया है. तो इसी तरह मैनेजमेंट का मतलब काम करना नहीं है. मैनेजमेंट का मतलब मेनली काम करवाना है लोगों से. तो हम यहाँ क्या कह सकते हैं, मैनेजमेंट इज द आर्ट ऑफ गेटिंग, और किसी से काम करवाना एक कला ही है. गेटिंग थिंग्स डन थ्रू आउट अदर, किसी औरों से काम करवाने की कला है. विद अ फॉर्मली ऑर्गेनाइज्ड ग्रुप, जो ग्रुप्स फॉर्मली ऑर्गेनाइज किए गए हैं, मीन्स उन लोगों को हमने इकट्ठा किया है, फॉर्मली इकट्ठा किया है. दीज आर नॉट कलेक्टेड और ज्वाइंट विद द इनफॉर्मल. Informal means when some people combine or have connection for the common interest, like for the caste, for the releases, for the interest, for the fun, or any other thing. When some person have common objective or common things, these are called informal groups. But we have common objective and what we have decided by a other person to completing a objective, we are here, so that we are formal groups. According to George R. Terry, management is a distinct process consisting, एक अलग प्रोसेस है, कंसिस्ट करती है, जिसमें प्लानिंग है, ऑर्गेनाइजिंग है, इक्वेटिंग एंड कंट्रोलिंग. हमने उसको इक्वेट किया, इकट्ठा किया है, कंट्रोल किया है, यूटिलाइजिंग कर रहे हैं, इनको यूज कर रहे हैं इन बोथ साइंस एंड आर्ट. हम यहाँ पर मैनेजमेंट का मतलब सिर्फ और सिर्फ कॉमर्स नहीं है. मैनेजमेंट कैन बी यूटिलाइज इन साइंस and management can be utilized in art also. That is why management can be both utilized science and art and followed in order to complete a predetermined objective. हमारे पास predetermined objective को पूरा करने के लिए. Now we again going toward our last place. Here we have to understand some more things. When a manager, like here is a manager, he want to complete a job, he have a work or objective. Like objective, he have producing 10,000 unit of Pepsi. To completing the objective, he have to plan, he have to organize, he have to join the person, collect the person or human resource. He have to direct them what to do, when to do, how to do, and by whom it to be done. And he have to control so that he can achieve the objective of producing 10,000 units of Pepsi. So management is what a manager does, and management is the art of getting things done throughout others. It is a very important getting things done throughout other. One more definition by F.W. Taylor. Important definition. This definition is important. Here we have two important, and here we have second important. Management is the art of knowing. Is the art of knowing what you want to do, and then seeing that they do it in the best and cheapest way. Here maybe you understand that the points. Here we have 2 points. Best stand for effectiveness, cheap stand for efficiency. Management is art of knowing what means, knowing what we have to do means objective. What are the objective we have to complete, what you want to do, and then seeing means the planning, organizing, directing, controlling, staffing. They do it in the best, और वो जो उसे करना है वो बेस्ट एंड चीपेस्ट वे करना है. These are the main definition and this is the introduction of this chapter. I hope you will understand.